What up, YouTube? It's the Random checking in. Y'all see old girl looking pretty good, huh? She'll be cranking up soon. Y'all stay tuned. So in today's video, I'm gonna run to the junkyard right quick. Gotta go run a pull apart right quick, grab some gaskets for this here package that we got came in today, you heard me? For the car, of course. So y'all stay tuned, you heard me? Let's ride out, go grab that. Gonna come back, get that working, gang. It's around. See you, gang. We out here. 1500, what that is right there. 1500 right there. Old school. Y'all see it. We out here, baby. I was actually looking for a truck with the manifolds off. I might just have to go ahead on and pull them off myself. I'll see if I see any others that maybe have them off already. Right here. That's it, this one wide open. We can just go ahead on and take these off. We're gonna grab these. So let me snatch that off. I'll get right back with y'all. Alright, gang, so we just got the driver's side gasket off. I'm sorry, we just got the passenger side manifold gasket off. Now the driver's side, which is right here, pretty rough. It came apart on me. I might try to grab another one. But I actually left my drill at home as well. So I had to back all those bolts out with my hand. But they got plenty of these LS motors up in here. So I'm gonna try to grab another gasket for the driver's side. Because like I said, again, the ones that I got came apart. This is it here. With the passenger turbo manifold, it stayed together. I'm gonna try to grab another one. I'm trying to look for one off a newer vehicle. So I'm glad that passenger side one stayed together, because I thought it was gonna break as well. And I just priced them at the dealer, and they're 21 bucks a piece. So I'm sure y'all can understand where I'm pulling them. But they say they hold up well as far as reusing them, so that's a good thing too. I'm looking for another truck or something without the fenders on it, so it'd be easier for us to take it off. Looks like we might have this one right here. Let's see what we got. Oh, he clean. We got him for everything. Got him for everything, gang. Maybe our gasket is off already. Let's see if we can find our gasket somewhere on this ground. Sometimes they do little favors for you, you know. Don't see the manifold gasket. I'm gonna try to find me another one. Wonder what year this shit Jeep is. Because we need that steering shaft for that upgrade for the Jeep. They said they only had one in here, which was a 01. So this must be a 01. Yeah, it don't look the same. Yeah, see what. Oh, this is actually a 96. So this is a 96. They say I need a 91 to a 94. If they had any more Jeeps. 98 Jeep Cherokee. Maybe you get me a motor out this thing soon, because it's got too many. Got too many motors up in here. Not for me to have some backup engines. You feel me? Another Jeep Cherokee. Let's go grab that other gasket that we need. Get out of here so we can go do our thing at the crib. Oh, 01. This sure don't look like no 01, huh? Look how good he hit though. Let me get on the side so y'all can see how good he hit. Oh, yeah. That's how they just got right here. Hey, if I wanted to get an engine, would y'all pull it, bring it to the front for me? What they run about? What the engines run about?
It depends on if it's a 6 or a 4.
5.3.
It's probably about 280, something like that.
280.
Depends if it's bare, if it's got anything else, accessories like alternator. If you have all that, it's cheaper to buy the whole thing complete.
Right.
And buy it separate.
280.
Around 280.
Y'all bring it to the front for me. Throw it on the. Y'all bring it to the front for me. Throw it in the truck.
Just pull it out and tell us what row it is.
Okay.
And we'll get somebody to come pick it up for you.
I got you.
And make sure everything's off and then they come back and pick it up for you.
Pick it straight up. Appreciate it. Got us some good footage right there, gang. Still need that other gasket. We need one more gasket, y'all. So we definitely need to get a motor. Definitely come and get that. And he look a little rough, him. Look a little rough right there. Alright, gang, this one I walked up on. I'm gonna grab him. Take this manifold off. It already has a few bolts missing. I'm gonna snatch the manifold and see if this gasket look better than the other. Alright, gang, y'all see we got the manifold on. Now thirdly, the whole set get together. So we're gonna snatch here. We're gonna snatch him along with our other good one right here. We're gonna get out of here. What we got here, gang? Y'all wanna see one out there? There y'all go. The F-body action. Let's see the tailpipe. What we got? No, it ain't LS1, huh? Oh no, big V6. Big V6. Let's see what. Look what we got here, gang. Hey, y'all. Look what kind of shape it's in. Still got that mold in there. I wonder if that's a 400. Kind of rotting out here. Look at that. Hey. Dang. Trans on, baby. Yeah. 79 trans on. Got a 78 like that, guys. Damn, that boy bringing that thing up in there. Probably got a good motor too. I wonder where he gonna set it at. Let's go look at it. Go see where he bringing it. That's brand new right there. Got to go follow. Perfect. Set that thing down. Dang, 5.3. That's a new one? They just brought that one in? Y'all probably get these all day, huh? Y'all probably get these all day, huh? Tahoe 5.3s?
We get them, but they get picked as soon as we get them.
I know.
They don't last long in the yard.
It'd be a perfect time to get that motor right now.
Yeah,
I just had to undo everything. Yeah. All right. That'd be the one right there.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm. It got everything on it already. Give me one.
Just do what?
That would have been a perfect time. That's what you do. You come sleep out in the junkyard till the band, so you know, so it's off with a cutting. Get the cutting, snatch them out of there. All right, y'all. We're gonna get off this camera. We'll holler at y'all when we make it back to the house, gang. One. Silverback, that go your section over there. Alright, gang. Y'all see, we done made it back to the house. And it's actually lunchtime. Got us a little turkey sandwich right there. Little onion, mustard, mayonnaise. While we doing a little YouTube. Y'all see that? Y'all see that is, huh? This crowd going up on slick. You heard me? And these noodles right here, they be hitting too. Check them out. Get them from Walmart. Let me know how you like them. So I smash this and we're gonna go back in the garage and get it in, guys. Let's go.